checkboxes. As compared to the ready button and checkboxes allows checkboxes allows to work with the multiple selections, whereas ready button allows to work with the single selections. Let me keep here Python. Let me keep here Java, right? So var1, var2. Here we haven't applied command. Can we able to apply the command? Yes, we can apply. Okay, command, create one method and give the message, right? So here from Tkinter import star. Now I assign Tk to master. Okay, if you are not happy to use master, you can work with window, and that's it. Keep in window, and this is also window. Okay, so window assigned to Tk. I received Tk main root. Now window.geometry. I want to get 100 by 100. I want to receive the values from var1 and var2. Right? As well as create the checkboxes. To create the checkboxes, here I did now star. I imported star, right? So I did not write here tk or tkinter dot checkbox like this. Okay, directly I can write here check button. Similarly, one more check button for Java, and finally call in main loop. So let me run this program. Alt F, new file. So checkboxes hash checkboxes, or you can call check button, right? So save desktop, 9th day. So GUI, let me work with now checkboxes. Okay, run module. So you can see your checkbox. Actually I haven't applied the labels, right? So I have kept here 2 only. So Java, Python, Java. Python, Java, Python. Can I able to do? We haven't applied the command. Can we able to apply command? Yes, we can apply the command. Take a function and show the message. Command assign to a function name. That function name create at the top and show whatever you want to show or whatever operation you want to perform, right? So your time starts now. 13:44. If you want to work with multiple variables, so here var3, this is var4. For var3, let me keep here C Rust. Okay, Control C. Let me create for remaining is copy paste, guys. Let me create here for Golang. Okay, more than enough. Just run your application, run module. Save can I do? Oh, I saved everything on a same line. So row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Here we are using grid, not pack. We are using here grid. Okay. So run. F5. So you can see here maximum number of widgets, right? Just create one, remaining is same. Just create one, remaining are same. So Java, C. What the problem, do you know? Look at here. I'm selecting one, but it's selecting all. I'm selecting one, but it's selecting all. Why? var2, var3, var4, var5. Right? Now again run module. So when you run the model, so you can see here, actually I have to increase. Where is my Golang? Why Golang app does not appear here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where 5, not 52, 5. Okay. Is it done? Where is my Golang? Again R. Again R. Okay. Again run. Run model. Now Golang, you can see the Golang now. Okay. To work with the checkboxes. Now if you select one, deselect, select one, select one, select go, select rust. Okay. Right. This is with checkboxes, or you can call check button in Tkinter. Check button in Tkinter. Done. Still you have 2 minutes of time. But I have to give my own time. काय तुम्ही फॉलो करणार otherwise time pass. Is it done, guys?